Ka jingrakhe ya ka Sngi Bakyrpang ki Khun Kynthei International Day for Girl Child. La pynlong ha ka shipau tarik Risaw da ka District SANKALP-Hub for Empowerment of Women DHEW ha ka jingpyniaid ka District Social Welfare Ophis Nongstoiñ ryngkat ka jingsnohkti lang ka District Programme Ophis ICDS Nongstoiñ. La plie ya ki prokram jo ka ni ka Sngi Bakyrpang ki Khun Kynthei ha ka khandai tarik Risaw bala pynkut pat ha ka shipau tarik da ki prokram babun jait. Ya ka jingïalang pynwai ha ka ni ka Sngi la pynlong ha Madan Leonel Futsal Arena Pyndengrei ha ka ba ka kong Wanniang EAC West Khasi Hills District kalalong ka kong san ryngkat ha ka jingïalang ka Dr. Taryang DM&HO West Khasi Hills District ka kong di Pakenteng DSWO kilong kumi bat ki Samla Kynthei na sor Nongstoiñ. Ha ka te ka jingrakhe lawan ban shimbanta da ki khana Kynthei na ki pratali ki school ka Thain Nongstoin ha ki program babun jait na do ka khandai tarik Risaw.
We all win in the society. And similarly to International Women's Day, we have this International Girl Child Day on the 11th of October 2024. This year, the Department of Social Welfare, in observation of this International Girl Child Day, have conducted several games, sports, and motivational events, such as poster and poetry competitions. Shortly, we will also distribute prizes for that. We had the futsal tournament that was held yesterday, and also awareness program on Beti Bachao Beti Padao of Christ King School at Bangla Plo Ryangdo in collaboration with the District Child Protection Unit, Health Department, Labor Department, and the State Hub team. Keeping this in mind, the theme of the International Girl Child Day for this year is Girls' Vision for the Future. So without further ado, once again, I welcome each and every here for empowerment of women, and the another sub-scheme is the Sambal for Safety of Women. Under Samatya, we have the Shakti Siddhant, which is set up for providing homes and institutional support. Under Sakhi Nivas, we have to provide safe and secure place for stay of working women. And we also have the Palna scheme of National Crèche scheme. And under Sambal, that is for safety and security of women, we have the One-Stop Center, which provides integrated services like legal counseling and help, psychosocial counseling and support. We also have the Women Helpline. Last, we have the Beti Bachao and Beti Padao. Today's program of the International Day Girl Child, it is aligned with the objective of the Beti Bachao and Beti Padao initiative. And the theme for this year, if you look behind me, you will see under the flex it is written Girls' Vision for the Future. This, keeping in mind with the theme, it is to provide a platform for the global community to understand the disadvantages girls face. And why Girl Child Day is important. Because we believed this Girl Child Day will empower girls.
The house name Arhajar Khatway mo kan ni United Nations Organization kapan bana ba man usnem haka Khatway tarik October ngin rakhi kan ni International Day of the Girl Child man pensabrang ya ka khubor ba ki Kynthei kimdi bansha I no shadin kimdi macha leben laka liang ka puli ka puthi lani haka kot ka khia kumjuru ban pensabrang ya kita ki an ki ba yadai Kynthei na kajing sha thombor kajing sha penjubor ban penshong kurim khna lani kata child marriage mo baki ong nanta pat penkintiu ru Kynthei khna Kynthei jungi habaro kiliang te haba hakni ka job menta mo kani ka jingnang jing start lani ka pulik puthi kalong ka ban kam hadu kata-kata ba kaditang kani ka jingnang jing start lani ka jing minot jungi bangin puli kot mo balik school bakal la bandrat dingkhong ke jing do ke jing sa den bat kamjul bangin penyar ke jing baju perkhat ke jungi namar bali lada ngi ki Kynthei kena Kynthei mo ngil anang la start ni minat balik school ngin tip ke kita ke hok ke jungi namar pun baki hok ke jungi